pero it's the aggressive grinding of teeth at night due to a lot of factors. Baka talagang malikot lang ako matulog.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Kaycee Reyes. You can call me Doc Kaycee. I'm a skin doctor, preventive medicine practitioner, and the founder of Luminisce. The use of botulinum toxin is not only limited to the relaxation of lines and wrinkles on the face, but it can also be used to treat jaw clenching or teeth grinding. In today's episode of Skin Vesting, we welcome Vicki Dantes to share her experience and how a masseter injection helped her deal with bruxism.
Hi, my name is Vicki Dantes. I'm 26 years old and I do sales and operations for a startup company. So it's the excessive grinding of teeth that causes the masseter muscle to overdevelop, if not ma-over-exercise siya. So I was told na ever since like my elementary days, I would really grind my teeth at night. It has become alarming na when I was in college. So maybe because of stress or just bad sleeping habits. I was trying to figure out saan nanggagaling yung headache ko, yung jaw pain. Because of my teeth grinding at night, na over-exercise yung masseter muscle ko dito, which in effect, nagkakaroon ako ng jaw pain, headache, and when I came to Luminisce to visit and to consult with Doc Kaycee, when she physically checked on my masseter muscle, immediately she wanted to do the procedure already because it was that bad. So imagine having two golf balls dito sa jaw natin. Ganon siya katigas at kasakit. The only thing I did was to inconsistently wear my mouth guard. That was before. So that was one of the ways to aid the teeth grinding, but it wasn't enough. So thankfully, Doc Kaycee explained to me that for my case, it's actually not enough to just wear your mouth guard at night. Because since na-over-exercise na yung muscle, lumaki na siya, sumakit na siya, it's best to do a tandem treatment kung saan I will be undergoing a masseter Botox. So what it does is it relaxes the muscle, yung nag-build up na muscle sa jaw para ma-ease yung pain and totally ma-relax na yung jaw.
Bruxism is a common problem affecting approximately 30% of adults. It is more common among children and teenagers and also among those who are experiencing stress or anxiety. People suffering from bruxism usually experience daily headaches, TMJ pain, ear and facial pain, worn down teeth, and dental difficulties. While it is not often recognized, bruxism can cause premature aging of the face and loss of facial volume. Also, continuous grinding creates hypertrophy or enlargement of the masseter muscles, causing cosmetic abnormalities and an expanded square appearance to the lower face, which normally makes your face asymmetrical. But how do botulinum toxin address bruxism? Botulinum toxin's clinical effects on bruxism have been shown to be effective. Once injected into the masseter muscles, the injection works by momentarily relaxing the muscles and preventing nerve signals from reaching the muscles responsible for clenching and grinding. When administered, the masseter injection can reduce the discomfort of bruxism and prevent it from occurring. Aside from Vicki's desire to address her bruxism, masseter injection can also transform her face from having a square and strong jaw to a narrow and V-shaped face in a matter of few weeks. And to further sculpt the shape of her face, I added Lipodissolve HD, a Luminisce concoction of substance made of combination of L-carnitine, cyanara, minilotus, tyrosine, lecithin, and traxerotine. This is an advanced face contouring treatment that eliminates the necessary metabolic products and toxins by inhibiting lipogenesis and improving lymphatic drainage, which also strengthens and reinforces skin structure while effectively reshaping the facial contours.
Happy 11th anniversary, Luminisce and Doc Kaycee. I am very grateful to be part of this family. Again, my name is Vicki Dantes and I am a proud skin investor.
It is important to note that self-care tips are important primary treatment approaches for the management of bruxism. Aesthetic treatments aim to improve masseter and temporalis hypertrophy or enlargement, as well as restore facial volume loss to allow the aging face to do so gracefully. Before you go, don't forget to like and share this video and hit the notification bell if you want to learn more from me and from Luminisce.